In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an NS record in GoDaddy. We'll go step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it and what each field actually means. By the end, you'll be able to confidently point a subdomain to another provider using name server records inside your GoDaddy account. First, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your domain portfolio. This is the section where all of your domains are listed. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct one, since DNS changes on the wrong domain can cause confusion or downtime. Once you've found the domain you want to edit, look for the DNS option next to it. Click the DNS button to open the DNS management page for that domain. This is where all of your DNS records live, including A records, SNAMEs, and in this case, NS records. Before you go any further, there's an important limitation to keep in mind. You can only add NS records if your domain is currently using GoDaddy's default name servers. If you've already pointed the entire domain to a different DNS provider by changing the main name servers, GoDaddy will not let you add or manage individual DNS records here. In that situation, you would need to add NS records at your external DNS provider instead. So if needed, quickly confirm that the domain is still using the default GoDaddy name servers before moving on. Assuming that's all set, look for the option to add a new DNS record. On the DNS management page, click the Add New Record button. This opens a small form where you'll choose the type of record and fill in the details. For the record type, open the drop-down menu and select NS. NS stands for name server, and this record tells the internet which name server is authoritative for a specific part of your domain, often a subdomain. Next, fill in the name field. Here you'll enter the prefix for the subdomain you want to delegate. For example, if you want to delegate shop.yourdomain.com, you would usually enter just shop as the name. GoDaddy will automatically handle the rest of the domain name, so you don't need to type the full address. Then move to the value field. This is where you paste or type the name server address provided by the other service. It will look something like ns1.externalprovider.com. Make sure you enter it exactly as given, including any numbers and dots, and double check for typos, since an incorrect name server will prevent the subdomain from resolving correctly. For the TTL, or time to live, you can leave it at the default of 1 hour. This controls how long other systems cache this record, and the default value is perfectly fine in most cases. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new NS record will be added to the DNS list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so you might not see the effect immediately, but you've now successfully added an NS record in GoDaddy.